morning, children. Today I am going to start another new lesson. That is the last lesson you have got in this part 1. That is the entrepreneurship. So in this lesson you are going to learn the various things like the meaning of the entrepreneur and the entrepreneurship. What is the role and the importance of the entrepreneur? The self-employment opportunities, the self-employment scheme, and the profile of the few successful entrepreneur. So first and foremost, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship constitutes the driving force of today's market economy. It is one of the four main economic factors, namely land, labor, capital and organization. Land, labor, capital and organization. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. Entrepreneurship constitutes the driving force of today's market's economy. It is one of the four main economic factors, namely land, labor, capital and organization. So you require land. For that you require laborers afterwards to work. Then you require the investment, the capital, and the organization should be formed. It is a very powerful factor in changing the business environment of a country and its entire industrial sector. So first and foremost, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of an entrepreneur? So you should know the meaning of an entrepreneur. So you have seen the well-versed people who are called as the entrepreneur, who have got name and fame in the society. So the word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre. Entrepreneur means which means to undertake some activity. Means some activity which is taken by some of the people who are well known, whose names are highlighted in the society. So entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business process. So entrepreneur is an innovator who has got new idea. In what field? In the business process. He possesses management skills and strong team building abilities and essential leadership qualities to manage the business. So he has got the team building ability and also leadership qualities to manage or to grow or to develop the business. He or she exercises initiative by organizing a venture to take the benefit of an opportunity. So whenever the opportunity comes, they grab it. Means first come, first serve. So whenever you get an opportunity, you have to go forward. So these are the ones who will be waiting for a chance or for an opportunity, and they use the benefit of that. In business, the entrepreneur decides what, how and how much of goods and services to be produced. How much and what goods are to be produced. He comes up with new idea for products, market or technique to put up in a simple words. An entrepreneur is someone who perceives opportunity, organizes resources needed for exploring the opportunity and exploits. So I will repeat once again in simple word, what is an entrepreneur? It is someone who perceives opportunity, organizes resources needed for exploiting the opportunity and exploits. Example, computer, mobile phone and washing machine, ATM, counter service and instant food are some of the examples of entrepreneur. Ideas that got converted into products or services. So next is, what is entrepreneurship? What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. So entrepreneurship is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. Entrepreneurship is a creative activity. It is the ability to create and build something. It is a knack of sensing the opportunity where others see chaos, contradiction and confusion. So I'll repeat once again here. It is the ability to create and build something. It is a knack of sensing the opportunity where others see chaos, contradiction and confusion. Entrepreneurship is the attitude of mind to seek opportunities, take calculated risks and derive benefits by setting up a venture which comprises of numerous activities involved in it. So entrepreneur is the attitude of mind to seek opportunities. So take calculated risk and derive benefit by setting up a venture which comprises of numerous activities involved in it. Entrepreneurship is a philosophy. It is the way one thinks, one acts and therefore in one it can exist in many situations. Let it be business or government or in the field of education, science, technology or poverty alleviation or any other. Now next is, what is the characteristics of an entrepreneur? So there are different characteristics, that is creativity, dynamism, team building, problem solving, risk taking, commitment. And then other side you have got innovation, leadership, achievement motivation, goal orientation, decision making and self-confidence. So when you have got creativity means it is a innovation, new method. That is creativity is innovating new method. Dynamism. Dynamism means having the leadership qualities where you can rule, where you can come forward, where you have got the daringness. Third is team building. Team building means achievement with the motivating. You are motivating your group and taking them together with you. Not thinking that they are lower or they means treating everybody equally, to have a unity in your organization or in your office. Next, problem solving. Problem solving means there is some goal orientation. If there is any goals and all further also children, you can solve the problems. Means if you know that whatever the problem comes in the entrepreneur will have the problem, so he should be ready to solve it and he will have certain goals. So to reach that goal, the hurdles will come in life. Risk taking, there are the risks, there are many risks which are taken place. Yes, so with the risk only they take the decision, but when taking decisions they know that risk, they have to face the risk. Means after taking the risk, after facing the problem, then only they will get the achievement. So, and this is the committed work. Means once you are committed, you cannot draw back. Means to reach the goal, you have to face it with confidence. You must have your own confidence. Self-confidence is important for this. So in this there are different fields I told you: creativity, dynamism, team building, problem solving, risk taking, commitment, innovation, leadership, achievement motivation, goal orientation, decision making and self-confidence. Next I am going to go is functions of the entrepreneur. What are the functions? Okay, an entrepreneur has to perceive opportunities, plan, organize resources and oversee production and marketing. He infuses motivation among his assistants. Most importantly, he has to innovate and bear risk. The main function of an entrepreneur are: first one, entrepreneur starts business activity by preparing various plans relating to business. So entrepreneur starts business activity by preparing various plans relating to business. Second, he organizes factors of production. Third, he takes decision about product, technology, marketing, employment, etc. Fourth one, he coordinates things effectively. Fifth one, he introduces new method into practice. Sixth, he handles budget of his concern. 7. He bear risk and uncertainty. And the 8th one is he give direction to the business firm and ensures its effective operations. What is the role of an entrepreneur? Now next I am going to go is role of an entrepreneur. What role the entrepreneur is playing? Okay, entrepreneurs are the business leaders and they aspire for ideas and put them into practice in nurturing economic growth and development. They play the most important role in the economic growth and development of a country's economy. So they also join hands with the country's economy. Entrepreneur plays a pivotal role not only in the development of industrial sector of a country but also in the development of agriculture and service sector. Not only in industry but also agriculture and service sector. The major role played by the entrepreneur in the economic development are as follows. The first one, entrepreneur promote capital formation by mobilizing the idle saving of the citizen. They employ resources for setting up their enterprise. The second one, entrepreneur provides large-scale employment to artisan, technologically qualified persons and professions. Third one, entrepreneur help the country to increase the gross domestic product and per capita income. Fourth point, entrepreneur encourages effective mobilization of skill, bring in new product and service and develop market for the growth of the economy. Next one, entrepreneur enables the people to avail better quality goods at lower price which result in the improvement of their standard of living. Next point, entrepreneur promotes development of industries. They help to remove regional disparities by industrializing rural and backward areas. Entrepreneurs contribute towards the development of society by reducing concentration of income and wealth. And next one, entrepreneur promotes country's export trade. And the 9th point is, entrepreneur work in an environment of changing technology and try to maximize profit by innovation. So here I'll stop. Next I'll continue in the next class, children. Thank you, children, for watching the video. Read the textbook and gain more knowledge. Thank you.